we're up there like, oh, look how much water there is. Shit. I mean, what can we do? He says we. Well, we go up over 299 and come back into the garden. We don't 52. Yeah, that's the other way.
Look at the water just getting higher and higher. Get out of the view. Okay, I'm gonna hop on.
Hang on. No, don't walk down.
I know what you're saying. Alright, so I feel pretty safe, question mark, right here?
Yeah, I know. I'm more worried about cars.
Would you just back up another 5-10 feet?
Yeah, let me turn it round. Point it up the hill.
I can't believe that just happened, Matt. Oh my God. Yeah, I think a dam might have broken. This is ridiculous.
It has to happen. I mean, for that water to have increased that fast in that short period of time, it just that's not. This is actually where I was going to talk about parking. Just keep your eye on the road and the car.
Yep.
I mean, it's so dirty, the water as well. It has all the feeling of like a dam having broken.
Yeah.
Look here.
I know, that's getting higher and higher.
This could actually get washed away. Where we're standing now.
Well, concrete culvert, I doubt that. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh my God.
Matt. Oh shit, the tree's coming down. Oh shit. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus.
Couldn't like this. I could see this road getting washed out. I mean, right now it's like, oh yeah, fine, but the minute you undermine the culvert. Don't go through it, buddy. Don't even go there.
He's not going.
I wouldn't park there.
Dude, this guy's going down.
We just came on it
Like 2 minutes ago.
That's happened in 5
Yeah.
minutes. Yeah.
No.
We drove up the hill. We went into the car park here a little while ago, and we were just stood there, and we were watching where the entrance route is. The water divided. You can actually see it. And this is like, I think this is a one place. I was going, yeah. We were parked over there, and these trees just started falling down. And we're like, alright, we're getting out.
Have fun. Take it easy. Wanna watch somebody get killed?
He's professional. He's got.
He's got orange on. He must know what he's doing.
Did you get some footage of the? Yeah, cool. That would run the.
I'm not really that keen to go back down there.
No fucking way. It's getting higher and higher.
It's getting higher and higher. Look at that car coming up the way, Matt. They better turn around.
Unbelievable. We drove up this hill maybe not even 10 minutes ago.
Really?
That happened in 10 minutes. We drove up here